Welcome to the Business NBN Enterprise Ethernet installation video. Firstly, we want to thank you for choosing Business NBN to power your business needs. Now that your service provider has placed your order, there's a few things that we need to do before we can complete your connection to help ensure a seamless installation process. It's important that your details are correct. Your main points of contact throughout will be your service provider. You'll also need to work with an NBN-approved construction partner to complete your connection. Before we get started, let's look at the equipment that will be installed. Here, you'll see our Business NBN network termination devices. These enable your provider to connect your property to the NBN network. The type of Business NBN network termination device, either a standard or high-speed version, will be determined by your service provider to help suit your business and connection needs. It's worth noting that the Business NBN network termination device is also known as an NBN connection box. Your service provider will work with you or your head office to discuss the placement of the equipment and any special requirements you have. They will also confirm your order details, such as your address and key contacts. Step 1. Connecting with your NBN-approved construction partner. An NBN-approved construction partner will be in touch to coordinate your site survey appointment and installation needs. It is important to check with the construction partner that the details provided in your order are correct. This will include the business name and full address listed, including unit or shop number for this order is accurate. A site contact will be available to meet the NBN-approved construction partner at your business. This person will need to be authorised to approve the location and installation of the NBN-supplied equipment. This could be a good time to confirm if there are any additional access requirements for the construction partner, such as an induction process or COVID measures. Step 2. Site preparation for installation. There are a few key things that will help ensure your installation runs smoothly. First up, construction activities may be needed in the common areas of your building. These will need to be discussed with your building manager and could disrupt your business operations. Your NBN construction partner will discuss these with you prior to your installation. Firstly, make sure the communications room or area can be easily accessed with no clutter in the way. Next, the communications room needs adequate space for the NBN-supplied equipment. Your NBN-supplied equipment will either be wall or rack-mounted. The NBN-approved construction partner will confirm the best solution at the time of site survey. For wall mounts, the chosen wall must be flat and suitably constructed for attaching the NBN-supplied equipment to it. Health, Safety and Environment (HSE) standards and NBN engineering standards require that the wall must also meet a set of both minimum and maximum measurements. For rack installations, the end customer or site contact must supply the rack if requiring a rack-mounted solution. You should ensure there are no obstructions in front of the Business NBN network termination device for safety and optimal operation. The rack and surrounding area must meet minimum and maximum measurements for equipment placement, clearance, and ventilation. Power supply. Both devices require a standard 240-volt general power outlet, or power point. It will need to be located within 1 metre of the allocated wall mount or rack space. This is to be an NBN-dedicated general power outlet power point. If power is not available, please advise your NBN-approved construction partner when they contact you, as you will need to arrange to have one installed separately. This is usually done via a registered cabler or electrician. Prior to the connection day, your NBN-approved construction partner will contact you to answer any questions you have and assist in ensuring you have your site ready. If you're unsure of any of the requirements we've just been through, take some photos and ask your construction partner to review. Step 3. Site survey appointment and visit. Now that your site is ready, your NBN-approved construction partner will arrange a site visit. This usually takes around 30 to 90 minutes to complete, and there are no disruptions to your existing service. When arranging your site survey appointment, advise of your preferred time to avoid any disruptions during your hours of operation. Let the NBN approved construction partner know if there are any requirements needed to access your site, such as an induction process or COVID measures. On the day of your site survey, make sure your site contact will be available on the day. Your NBN approved construction partner will arrive in HSE standard gear. Show the NBN construction partner the preferred location for the NBN equipment and agree on the preferred placement. Step 4. Installation Day. Your NBN approved construction partner is now preparing your final designs ready for installation. They will contact you to arrange an appropriate time to come back and install your NBN supplied equipment. On the day, provide site access and ensure your site contact is present. The NBN approved construction partner will complete the installation, conduct any construction activities needed, and complete on-site testing. Step 5. Connection. Now that the NBN equipment is installed, your service provider will contact you to complete any additional installation activities and confirm when your service is ready. Once ready, you can start to enjoy your new business NBN Enterprise Ethernet powered service. If you have any further questions, speak to your chosen Enterprise Ethernet provider for further information.